Hey everybody, I'm Lindy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your very own disco car charm. This is a beginner friendly tutorial, so just follow along. For this project, you'll need 3mm cotton cord, a 1.5 inch binder ring, a measuring tape, and a pair of scissors. The first thing we'll need to do is cut our cords. If you have a garment rack, you can hang it like I have, or you can use a shower curtain rod or work directly from a table or clipboard. We're cutting our cords to 2 pieces at 60 inches. They don't have to be exact. As you can see, I measured the first one and I'm just folding in half to get the second. We're going to cut one piece at 30 inches and then 2 more at 12 inches. Now you're going to take your binder ring and either hang, tape, or clip it to your workspace. Now take the 2 60-inch cords and feed them through the ring, pulling all the way until the tails are even on each side. Next, you'll take the 30-inch cord and do the exact same thing. I like to place mine in the center between the longer pieces, and you'll see why this is helpful in just a minute. Finally, you'll use one of the 2 12-inch cords to make our first knot, which is called the gathering knot. If you'd like a more in-depth tutorial on how to complete any of the knots we're doing today, I'll link one for each knot down in the description, or you can feel free to check out my 31 Days of Macrame playlist, where you can learn these knots and many more. I like to clip my excess strings as I go to keep my workspace tidy, but you can also save them for the end if you prefer. Now we'll start with the spiral square knots, but instead of using just one outside cord, we're taking 2 of the longer cords on each side, leaving the shorter ones in the center. This is why I prefer to put the shorter cord in the center from the beginning, so that the longer cords naturally fall to each side. Repeat this knot until you reach your desired length. I typically stop at 12 knots. If you lose count, you can count each bump around the spiral like so. As you can see, at this point, the ends are much closer to all being the same length. Now we will start the third type of knot, the double half hitch knot. This is what will hold the disco ball in place. You'll complete one double half hitch knot on each of the 3 groups of cords. You'll want these to be approximately 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch of the ways down from the base of the spiral knots. Once you complete the first 3, you can start on the second row. This time you'll pull one cord from 2 side-by-side groups of cords to complete the knot. When you're finished, it will look similar to a net. Next, you'll take your mini disco ball and push it up inside the net you just created. It might be a little tricky at first because the knot should fit pretty snugly around the ball, but it should go in with a little assistance. The last knot is another gathering knot to hold the ball in place. To complete it, you can use the second 12-inch cord that you cut ahead of time. You may find it easier to remove your charm from your workspace to complete this final knot. Finally, you can go ahead and clip your excess strings and cut the tail of the charm to your desired length. I typically leave around 2 inches. And now you have your completed disco car charm. You could hang these from a bag, a keychain, or from your car mirror. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you can be notified when I post more DIY and small business related videos. I'll see you next time.